What's up YouTube? Quick video. Previous video I talked about my car and what I'm building the car for. Well, motor was out before, motor's still out now, but give you a quick little, I guess just bottom end tour of what I'm putting in the car, because why not? It's entertaining. So flip the camera around, I'll show you what I have so far. I have everything to finish the engine. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing tonight, basically, since I just got the bottom end back from the engine builders. So here we go. Small block Chevrolet, of course. This thing it's like 423 cubic inches if you want to be exact, because it's 60 over, but it's got diamond racing pistons. They should be right around 14:1 compression when it's done with the chambers that's in the heads. It has scat rotating assembly, I-beam, or actually H-beams, internally balanced. I didn't gap the rings. Engine builder did that for me. We got set up to run about 300 on a spray. Nothing big. I'm not trying to grenade the car, not trying to kill my wallet, just trying to have a little fun, do some index racing. But this is the bottom end. Like I say, I guess next video I will probably be popping the heads on it. There's just some AFR 227 heads, competition ones, not the race ready, but the competition ones, so they flow a little better. But when I get those on, I'll do a little video of those, show you the heads, and stuff like that. But that's the bottom part of the engine. That's the rotating assembly. That's what's going in that beast of a car over there. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you have questions, about what's in there, if you hit me up in the comments if you have some more questions, or if anything you want to know specifically about, hit me up. I'll let you know. Until next time.